everybody, welcome back to my channel. You know what it is. It is time for another Temu haul, and I can share with you guys what I got. So if you guys are enjoying my little categorized videos, I hope you guys are doing it. I really enjoy it because I use different things for different things, but I love to share with you guys what I have. So today's video is kind of like a small business video, or just kind of more crafty and stuff, if you guys need more of that stuff. So if you guys have watched, I have back problems. I'm always sitting in this chair, and I don't have very much back support, so I thought we're gonna try this out. This was $4.09. I'm using this for my small business because I'm down here working. Sorry, that is loud, but I thought we're gonna try this out. So basically you just put it on the back of your chair. I'm assuming it goes however. I do have something already here, but it doesn't help. But let's just see how well this does. I have a couple things in my chair, in my jacket, but it feels good. I mean, I like it how I can't sit all the way back, but it does help me with my posture. But for $4.09, that thing better work wonders, so yes. So this is a repeat buy, okay? So I had to dig in, but Temu is a website where you guys can get lots of items at a decent price, and then you can use my 30% off code, off 3269, and I know you guys are loving Temu, but let's just dig in and I can share with you guys what I got. So this is a bigger paper cutter, okay? I already did one in another video where I have the smaller ones, okay? I absolutely love these paper cutters. I love these paper cutters, but I ended up having to get a bigger one. Now the smaller ones were $19.96, I think. This one was $26.48. This is a 7x9. The other ones were I can't remember what size they were, but here is what that is. So this one's a little bit bigger. So they call it like a guillotine. All it is just like a little slicer, pretty easy. And then it has a removable drawer thingy in here. If I can get it to open, so you guys can put your like little tools and compartments in here. But this is something that I love. This will actually fit a piece of paper, but I use these like crazy, so I had to get another one because I love it. So this is what I use for my small business, and I thought I had to get a bigger one just so I could cut how I wanted it. So yes. Okay, the next item I have is this. You're like, Jennifer, what is this? What is this? Well, this is something that I'm pretty excited about. Now, there was different options online. Now, this one I think was sold out, but this one was about $9 for this. And I was trying to figure out what size I wanted. They come in different sizes, and I thought this would be something kind of cool to use. And I might have to do a review for this. But, so this is okay, it's got to be charged, but this is like a little mat. It has stuff that needs to be peeled off. But basically, when I'm weeding something, or I need something where I need light behind it, this is something that I can use. I mean, look how thin it is, and all it will do is it'll light up. And so when I'm weeding, I can see through the stuff that I want, and it'll be easier to see. But it does come with a USB cord where I can charge it. So let me plug this in, and I can share with you guys how bright this truly is. Sometimes this stuff is like already charged up, and then sometimes it's not. So here is what it looks like plugged in, and then you have your USB. I got a little plug in all the way over here. Okay, so the blue light's on. I don't know if it'll work. Okay, so it looks like it's got two settings. I don't know if you guys can see it, but you guys probably can't see it, but it's cute. It's cute little light. Something perfect for me to see and work on that while I'm weeding and stuff. So that was $8.98. I really like this. I'm like, gee, what can I make with this? That's the crafter in me. So I got that. Now this can be used for anything. This is like a little box. My son wanted to put some of his puzzle pieces in here, but this was $4.78. It comes in different sizes, and it's a cute little tote. Great for storage, just great for little storage if you guys like to stack it. They are stackable, it looks like, but just a cute little tote if you guys, or a cute little storage thing to put some of your stuff in it if you guys need stuff like that. Okay, so I got a couple more items to share with you guys, and I am pretty excited for that. One thing I was talking about in my live was a label machine. I know a lot of you guys were talking about it, and I'm like, we're gonna look at one. So the brand is called Nimbot. I thought this was pretty cute. I was looking at all the ones that they had, and some of them seemed pretty good and some of them did not, but like I said, I was reading the reviews, and I also found that this brand, they had a lot of stuff, so I felt like this was a name brand. So this is something that you can use. I think you gotta download an app. The model number that I got is the D110. Now they did have different model numbers, but I am pretty excited for something like this. But what you have is, it comes with a little USB cord. It comes with a little quick guide. And then it comes with this little label machine right here. Pretty easy. It looks like you just lift this up. You put your labels in it. It looks like it comes with one pack of labels already. Now this was $24 something, I think, on it. I forgot to look at it, but I think it was like 24 bucks, 24 bucks. But you got your little labels. Your thing prints right there, and then you turn it on. Like here, I think it does need to be charged, but you do you download the app is what I think you do. And then what you do is you can make your own little design. So it tells you how to install it. Yep, you got to download the Nimbot app. You turn the Bluetooth on so it connects to your Bluetooth. You make your little labels on here all the time. It has it if it's like blinking, all that stuff. So that's kind of cool, and I have some stuff that I actually do want to label, so I'm pretty excited to try this out. But I did get labels for this. They had tons of different ones to choose from. I wanted some clear ones, they had some print ones, all that stuff, but some of them were not available after I purchased them. I got like a thing saying that they weren't available. But I got 2 packs right here. These range different prices. They range from a couple dollars to like maybe $5. There's different sizes and all that stuff, but I'm not sure what label comes with this one, but it just looks like maybe an inch, little 1-inchers of the labels, and I wanted something with a little bit more of a label, so I ended up getting this one. This one just says that it is a direct thermal label. So thermal basically means you don't need ink. You need to have special paper or the sticker to, and it kind of like melts onto the unit. So this was the colored one. So this one is like a purple one. It had different purples and stuff in it. So every 4 colors, or every color is different, but there's 4 colors. Again, this is about an inch. And I think I wanted them a little bit longer, but that's cute like that. And then here is another label that I have. So let's see what this one is. So these ones look a little bit longer. I did request some clear ones, but I didn't get the clear ones. But these ones are a little bit longer, so these would be perfect for longer labels. So I think when you go on the app, and I might do a video on how to set this up. I should probably do a video on how to set this up and how to figure this out. So that is awesome. Sorry, my daughter came downstairs from her nap. But the one that I just opened, it does show like how long the label is. And this one says it's 15 star 50 milliliters. So yeah, and there's tons of different options, but I might do a video on how to set this up, how to do all that stuff. So I probably want to do that. So yes, so we got those, which I'm pretty excited for. I did request like a couple different labels, but they were sold out at the time. Now I got this little thing. You're like, Jennifer, what is this? This is a 2-pack. This was 78 cents. So if you have kids, my kids are always pulling the strings, and then one string gets in like their hoodie. And this is something where you basically go inside the hole that you need, you pull the string, and you can actually put this like right here so it holds it, and then you pull it and you can pull the string out of the hoodie, and it comes with 2 of them. My mom is a sewer, so I thought she would actually really like this because she's always trying to like weed elastic through the pants, and I thought this is something super cute, and for 78 cents you can't go wrong with that. And then I got a couple different things. I ended up getting a calendar, but it was sold out by the time I bought it. But this is something that I'm pretty excited for. So I want to do like meal planning, and I want to figure out all that stuff. But what I ended up getting is these are magnetic acrylic boards. So this one just says weekly planner. It says Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And it is a 2-pack. I don't know how much this was. I want to say it's like maybe $13 or something like that. And then they give you a blank one. And I thought I'm going to make something like either a calendar with my Cricut machine and make it kind of how I want it to do. But I thought my husband and I kind of want to do meal planning. And I thought let's write something down. I don't want to have it where it takes up a lot of space, but this is magnetic. So I thought this would be perfect for like a refrigerator or something like that. But you can't go wrong with that. And that is something that I got. And it looks like it sticks perfectly for that. Another thing I got was these were $1.99, and these are little scratch off things. Now this is something I thought I was going to use for my small business. Now it says there are 50 pieces. I think there's 50 sheets or 50 pieces. I don't know. I want to say 50 sheets, but I don't know. But what these are is they're little stickers, and I make little money challenges, and I thought these would be something to kind of make something where the person can like scratch off something, and I'll have it like laminated, and then they just scratch it off and they'll see what's underneath. So I thought this would be something kind of cool that I can make into it. But for like $1.99, we're gonna try these out. I was looking at something like this on Amazon, but I thought maybe I might like something like this. But you can't go wrong with little scratch off stickers that you can use stuff. Even you could do something to make like something like that for your kids. So yeah. Okay, so the next thing I plan on possibly doing is I've been really into reading lately. I've been really into reading. I'm in some reading groups, and I've been seeing people like going crazy for bookmarks. And I thought this would be kind of something cool to get to maybe possibly sell something on my Etsy shop. But I ended up getting a oh, what is it? 15 pieces. So this is 15 blank acrylic bookmarks. Now these were $4.78 for this, but all it is this a blank acrylic bookmark. There is the plastic peel on both of it, and they're kind of little small. They did ask to what size I wanted. I didn't want something super long, but I thought I could make something to put on here like little vinyl or something like that, or do something that I thought would be kind of cool. So I ended up getting those, but for 15 pieces for $4.78, I thought that'd be kind of a cool little project to make. Now I do handle resin every once in a while. You don't know what resin is, it's an epoxy. You basically take part A and part B and you mix it equally, and then you pour it. A lot of people use it for, I used to make jewelry with it, but yeah. So I ended up getting something like this. Now this is a silicone bookmark. This is a silicone bookmark, and what I do is I'll mix my epoxy to whatever color I want. You let it dry, and then you can put whatever design on it that you want. So I thought that would be kind of cool to make something like that. I don't know why I took it out of the plastic, because I don't want any hair or anything to get on it. But for 88 cents, I thought this would be something cool to maybe make myself. So I thought we're going to try something out and see what we can do. So you'll definitely want to check that out. And then I also sell cat and dog ornaments for Christmas every year, and I sell them like crazy. And then I saw these little resin things, and I thought I could make something like this, or like little keychains or something like this. But this is a silicone mold of pet stuff. This was $2.99, but as you see, they have like 2 different dog bones on here. They have 2 cat heads, they have a fish head, oh, they have 3 cat heads, and like you could just do little things. But I thought maybe with something with my resin, I could do something with that. So that was everything that I got for like a small business or even a crafter's point of view. But I am pretty excited to share with you guys about this labeler. I'm going to actually charge it, and then I'm going to make a video on how to use it. So I'm going to download the app and then get this all charged up, ready to go, and we will do a walkthrough video on how to use the Nimbot but I'm pretty excited to use it and see how well it is. I got some stuff coming today in the mail that I actually want to print some labels for, so we will see what we can do with that. But if you guys enjoyed this Temu haul, let me know by giving this video a great big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I will definitely be ordering more from Temu. You guys do, if you're a new user, you do get 30% off, a coupon code for anything that I shared with you guys. The link's below. For everything that you see here, it is in the link below, so you guys can add that stuff for your channel. But I am pretty excited. One thing I absolutely love is those paper cutters. I own 3 of them now, which I'm super excited, and this label machine is going to do wonders, and I'm actually really excited to do something with this PVC, or this acrylic side thing for something like that. So definitely want to do that. But again, give this video a great big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for supporting my channel, watching this, and let me know what your favorites are. Any questions, comments, concerns, I'm here to help you guys. And again, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.